Lord, ow! Iku. Oh, hello, guys. I didn't see you there. Today we are doing geometry. Quack? Quack? Come out here, Quack.
Fine, Peep. Sorry, I'm just so tired.
Don't worry, Quack. You will have plenty of time to rest in this spot.
Oh, yeah.
Let's let Quack rest for a little bit. Anyways, today we are going to do first grade geometry, where we are going to identify, trace, and recognize triangles and circles. So, while Quack is napping,
Doctor.
let me start the journey of geometry. So, geometry concerns the study of shapes and lots more that are related to shapes.
Doctor.
But most importantly, I would just want to point out that geometry should not be hard as long as you learn it. So, yep, learning more geometry means that geometry becomes easier. All right, let's start. Which shapes are not triangles or circles? Draw an X on each one. So, let's review the shapes. What is a triangle? Oh yeah, I need Quack to answer that. Quack!
I'm fully rested.
Oh, good. Because I was just about to ask you a question.
Yes, Peep?
What's a triangle?
That's a great question. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners.
That's right. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. And a circle has no corners, which means that it cannot have any sides either.
Wow, you know a lot about circles.
And I knew about triangles. I was just asking you so that we can start ahead of the video.
Oh, Doctor. Okay, I'm okay with that. Doctor.
Okay, so anyways, Quack, let me catch you up. We were just talking about the basics of geometry and how it concerns the study of shapes. Now we are going to see which shapes are not triangles or circles. So in other words, shapes that do not have 3 sides and no sides. So shapes that have too many sides or are open shapes are not considered triangles or circles.
Okay, can I start?
Of course, Quack, I don't want a hog.
Thanks, Peep. Let's see. Which shapes are not triangles or circles? How do I do that?
Just tap your foot on the shape you think is not a triangle or a circle.
Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, darn it. That's a triangle. Oopsie.
It's okay. Geometry is hard and it takes lots of practice. Try again.
You're right, Peep. Don't be shy. Let's have some more. It's round, has no corners. Oh, shoot, that's a circle. Oh. Ooh.
Don't give up, Quack. Keep going.
Yes, Peep. Do not give up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait a second. Darn. 4 sides? Darn. A triangle does not have 4 sides, and neither does a circle. That is not a triangle or a circle.
That's right. It's actually a trapezoid. But since we're in first grade geometry, I'm going to put things simple today. So let's just say that this is a 4-sided shape. Yeah, it's a 4-sided shape.
Wow, a 4-sided shape. Very cool.
4-sided shapes also include squares and rectangles. So be ready to find those as well.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not a trapezoid. It's a square, right? It's not a triangle or a circle, and it has too many sides. It has one side too much.
Right, because 3 plus 1 is 4, which you're right. 4 sides is too much. A triangle does not have 4 sides, and neither does a circle. So it must be a square, not a triangle or a circle. I'll do the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this is a special shape, Quack.
What is it?
This is a rectangle. It's not a triangle or a circle, but it has 2 sides long and 2 sides short. 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. Yes, so this is a rectangle, and this is a square. A square has 4 sides of equal length, and a rectangle has 2 pairs of opposite sides parallel.
Huh?
Or just 2 long sides and 2 short sides, to keep it simple.
Okay.
Now, the last one is pretty difficult to find because it's a little blended in with the triangles.
I can do it. 1, 2, 3. That's a triangle, too.
Yes, Quack. Triangles may not be the same color, but they are the same shape. So, even if they changed color from blue to white, it is still a triangle. So I'm sorry, Quack.
It's a triangle. Are there any more? This one. 1, 2. Only 2 sides. A shape with 2 sides. Are you kidding me?
No. This shape does not have 2 sides, Quack.
What? But 2 sides match up and the other one doesn't.
Exactly, which is why it's an open shape.
An open shape. How did I not notice the opening? You're right, Peep. It's an open shape, which means that it cannot be a triangle or a circle or a square or a rectangle or a trapezoid.
Bingo! 5 times in a row! Woohoo! That's right, Quack. Wow. So far you have an answer strike of 5.
What does that mean?
Oh, that means you're just doing good. We're not doing answer strikes, people.
Dar.
So, anyways, yeah, bingo 5 times. Wow, you got it. So, yep, just like you said, this cannot be a triangle, a circle, a square, a rectangle, or a trapezoid, or any other 4-sided shape. So, you're right, Quack. Wow. Good job.
Thanks, Peep. What now?
Okay, now we're going to turn to the next page. Okay, this is a fun guessing game. I am going to be thinking about shapes, and you have to tell me if they are open or closed. You got it?
Got it, Peep. I'm all ears. Wait, do I have ears? Dar.
No, you don't. You're a duck.
Oh.
But you can still be all ears, because that's just an expression. It just means to listen.
Oh, yeah. Well, in that case, I'm all ears. Duck ears. Dar. If ducks had ears. Dar.
Quack, you're funny. Okay, let me start. I am thinking of a triangle. Quack, is a triangle an open shape or a closed shape?
A shape can be a triangle if it has 3 sides and 3 corners. They don't have to be an equal length, but they do have to match up and connect. So I say it's a closed shape.
Right, it is. Look, do you see any openings?
No.
That means that it's closed. All the sides are closed or connected. All right, now I am thinking about a rectangle whose sides do not match up.
Oh, this one's tricky. What do you mean match up?
Oh, I just mean a rectangle with sides that do not connect.
Oh, that's another fancy way. Okay. A rectangle that does not have sides connected. A rectangle whose sides are not connected is not a real one. So, I say, is it an open shape?
That's right! It's an open shape! So that's not a closed shape. Well done, there's an opening. Very good. Now I am thinking of a circle.
A circle. Any shape can be a circle if it's round, has no corners, and has no sides. Oh, wait a second. I have a better way to do this. Look at my eyes. Are they open? My eyes are not open. They're closed shapes. So I would say a circle is a closed shape.
That's right. A circle is a closed shape. Well done.
Thank you.
All right. Now I'm going to say some more shapes. And you have to tell me this time if they have 3 sides and 3 corners. All right. You ready?
Yes.
I am thinking about a square. Does a square have 3 sides and 3 corners?
Let's see. A square has all its sides an equal length. A square? Wait a second. Let me count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1 side too many. So I say, nope, it does not have 3 sides.
That's right. Squares and rectangles and trapezoids and other 4-sided shapes do not have 3 sides. Because, of course, like the 4-sided shape name suggests, they have 4 sides. That's why they're called 4-sided shapes, because they have 4 sides. And 4 corners. So, yep. Okay, this time I am thinking of a triangle. Do triangles have 3 sides and 3 corners?
Let's see. A triangle's sides do not have to be equal in length, right?
Yes.
And a triangle definitely has sides, so it can't be round.
Correct again.
Wait a second. I think I know. A triangle does have 3 sides and 3 corners.
That's right, Quack. Any triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners, as long as it is a closed shape and not an open shape, because that would not be called a triangle. Not a rectangle, sorry. A triangle. So, yep, I was almost about to say rectangle. Silly me. We all make mistakes. Anyways, last one. I am now thinking of a circle. Does a circle have 3 sides and 3 corners?
A circle is round. It is not a square because it doesn't have 4 sides.
Right.
And also, a circle is not a polygon because it is round and it's a curved shape.
Right again. Wow.
And a circle is a type of oval. So I would say it does not have 3 sides and 3 corners.
That's right, Quack. Any circle, whether it's an oval or a regular circle, does not have 3 sides and 3 corners because it doesn't even have corners. So that means it can't have sides either. Well done, Quack. Wow.
Thanks, Pete.
Now this one's a little bit harder. You might think there is only one shape with a square corner, but there is more. I am going to say some shapes. You have to tell me if they have a square corner or not.
Got it. Okay, I'm all duck ears. Duck's side ears. Okay, let's quit that expression. Dar. Anyways, go.
Okay, I am thinking about, this one's a little tricky, a triangle. Does a triangle have a square corner?
Oh, that is tricky. Well, I definitely know that a triangle is not a square.
Yep, it's not a square.
So that means it does not have 4 sides and 4 corners. It does not have sides of equal length. It can't always have.
Right.
And a triangle is not round. So it can't be a circle.
Right.
And it must be a polygon because it has sides and corners.
Right again.
Well, I know that one of the sides connects where one is horizontal and one is vertical, like this. Wait a moment. Maybe that could signal a square corner. Oh, but triangles are not squares. Hold on. Wait a minute. I think I'm right. Wait a minute. How is that possible? If a triangle is not a square, how can it possibly have a square corner?
You are right, it does.
Oh, wow. It does have a square corner.
Yep. Even though it's not a square or a rectangle or a trapezoid or any other four-sided shape, it can still have a square corner if the angles matching up with it are vertical and horizontal. So, yep, you're right. Even if they are diagonal, though, one is horizontal, so that counts. And plus, if you turn the book over, that will be vertical instead of diagonal. So, yep, the triangle would still have a square corner.
Wow, that's cool.
All right, I'm going to list another one. Perhaps this should be easier. I am thinking of a circle. Does a circle have a square corner?
Let's see. Well, a circle does not have sides. It's round, and it's not a polygon. It has one curved edge. It's a curved shape, and it is not a triangle or a rectangle or a square. No, they don't have a square corner. They have no corners, so I would say no, they don't have square corners.
That's right, Quack. Right again, wow. So, yep, a circle does not have a square corner because, like you said, Quack, you're right. Circles do not have corners. Well done! Last one. This should be slightly tricky, but I think I mentioned it, so it shouldn't be tricky to you. I am thinking of a rectangle. Does a rectangle have a square corner?
A square is a four-sided shape, and a rectangle is also a four-sided shape. A rectangle also has some horizontal and vertical sides connected, like a triangle does, except it does not have a diagonal side. Which means that a rectangle also has a square corner. So, yep, I'm going to say square corner. Yep, it has a square corner.
You're right. Rectangles have square corners too. See? 4 square corners. Yep. Even though the square corners are unequal, they are still square corners. As long as these sides match up, if they are diagonal, vertical, or horizontal, then they are square corners.
Wow, that's very interesting.
Yep. And now we're going to talk about, lastly, tracing triangles and circles. Sorry, I almost stuttered. Check understanding. Draw and describe a triangle and a circle. Well, let me introduce you to tracing.
What's tracing?
Tracing is when you draw with your finger in the air or even on a piece of paper. See?
Okay, what should I draw first?
Since we're getting on the basic fields of geometry, I think a triangle should be the first one to trace.
Okay.
Well, a triangle has a diagonal side, so let's get the hard sides out of the way. There! Now let's trace a horizontal side. There we go. And another diagonal side. There we go! You have formed a triangle. Now you try.
So it's a diagonal side. A horizontal side. And another diagonal side. I did it. I drew a triangle.
Well, you didn't draw it, you just traced it.
Oh, yeah, sorry, Peep.
It's okay. But you're right, you traced a triangle. Well done. Now, let's trace a circle.
But how are we going to trace a circle? A circle does not have sides.
Yeah, but it's round. So you just have to make circular motions on the paper as you trace. Look. Just go round, trace the letter C, and then loop back up the circle. Yee! So, yep, that's a fun little rhyme. So first, pretend you're tracing the letter C. And then just draw the missing curve. And now you have a circle. Yep, just draw circular motions to draw a circle. Multiple times. Here go.
I did it. I did it.
That's right. I'll do the describing. Any shape can become a triangle if it has 3 sides and 3 corners. And if one of them is a square corner. And any shape can be a circle if it has no sides, no corners, and is a round shape. And if it is not a polygon. All right, we did it. Unfortunately, that's all we have for today's first grade geometry.
Oh.
But don't worry, we'll come back soon. After all, triangles and circles are in most places in life, and you will have to be able to distinguish between them. For example, my eyes are circles. If you didn't know they were circles, then, this is probably, I don't know. If you didn't know that they were circles, that's okay. I did it. Yep, mistakes in correcting them. Mistakes in my sentence. Silly me. So, yep, my eyes are circles, see? They're round, have no sides or corners, and have one curved edge. See, Quack?
Oh, yeah. Wait a second. If your eyes are circles, does that mean...
Yes, Quack. Your eyes are circles, too.
Oh, my gosh. Well, oh, my gosh, they are circles. Very clever, Peep. Wow. I wonder what shape my hat is.
Don't worry, Quack. We have all day to figure it out.
Yep. I see something.
What?
1, 2, 3, 3 sides, 3 corners. It's a triangle. I see a triangle.
A triangle? What kind? Let me see. Bye. Wait for me, Quack. I want to see that triangle. Do-da-do-da.